Ever wondered what it's like to drive a luxury roadster with the power of 382 horses under the hood? And now, BMW's letting you shift every one of those gears yourself. Today we're diving into the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i, a car that's turning heads for a good reason. BMW's adding something special, a manual transmission, giving driving purists a new way to connect with this machine. Let's break down why this may be the ultimate convertible for car lovers. Luxury convertibles don't always have that raw hands-on driving feel. And for enthusiasts, that's a deal breaker. But with a manual option, BMW's addressing that exact challenge, letting drivers get up close and personal with all 382 horsepower. The Z4 M40i's turbocharged inline-six is the heart here, delivering smooth acceleration and a 0 to 62 mph time of just 4.4 seconds. But it's not just about speed, it's about control. The new manual transmission puts that power in your hands, giving drivers the ultimate say over every gear shift. And it's not just a fast car, it's designed for comfort too. With an adaptive suspension system, the Z4 gives you a balanced ride that adapts to both open roads and daily commutes. Plus, the fabric roof doesn't just add style, it gives you a surprising 10 cubic feet of trunk space, making this roadster practical too. Inside, BMW keeps things premium with quality materials and noise reduction that makes every drive feel high-end. While the tech is at iDrive 7.0, it's a setup that's still reliable and easy to use. But here's where things really come together. The Z4's handling. With rear-wheel drive and a sharp sport mode, you'll get agile control on twisty roads or a smooth cruise on the highway. It's a car that feels alive. And with the manual, you're fully in sync with it. So is the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i the roadster to beat? For those wanting luxury, power, and that rare chance to shift your own gears, it's hard to find a match. BMW's gone back to the basics, and honestly, it's thrilling. If you're ready to see more of the latest in luxury and performance, hit subscribe and join us for our next breakdown.